Hello everybody, this is Amir Alwani from potentnews.com. We're going to be testing these things with the pendulum. If you go to potentnews.com, you'll see a video I shared by Dr. Gokhale, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And he'll show you what I'm about to show you with this battery. Positive end is clockwise, negative end is counterclockwise, and the middle is back and forth. I'll show you that, then we'll test these avocados. It's clockwise. Counterclockwise on the negative. And just back and forth on the middle. And for fun, let's do the positive again. And now let's check the avocado. Yeah, I'll show you these. That is positive. And now let's check this one. That's quite clearly a negative. And now let's check this one. As you can see, that's a negative too. And now let's check this one. There you have it, that's a negative. Oh, how do you like that? Yeah, I'll do it again. Just because my elbow wasn't too comfortable on that last one because I had to go further away, but let's do it again. Just for fun, and then we'll check this one again. Yeah, you can see that's a negative. You can tell that. Now let's try this one again. And that's a positive. So I'm gonna eat this one.